Another Central Ohio family is renewing their push for anti-hazing legislation. Kathleen and Wade Wiant lost their son Colin to a hazing incident in 2018. He was a Sigma Pi pledge at Ohio University. His family wants Colin's law on the books as soon as possible. NBC4's Eric Halpern talked with Colin's family today. Eric, when could we hear more about Colin's law?
Adrian, Colin's mom is hopeful that it'll be introduced again this week. Last year, it passed the House, but time ran out before it could pass the Senate. And now she says they are more determined than ever.
I cannot stop thinking of Stone's family.
Kathleen and Wade Wiant have had to go through the heartache themselves, losing a child away at college.
I can't stop thinking about them and the hell they're going through, and I just don't want another family in Ohio to have to go through that.
In 2018, their son Colin died in a hazing incident. He was a Sigma Pi pledge at Ohio University. Since his death, they've gotten involved in anti-hazing advocacy work.
We're not giving up or letting up on what we're fighting for, right? To get rid of this.
Kathleen discussed the dangers of hazing in a TEDx released just last month. And just about a year and a half ago, she spoke about hazing and Colin's story at Bowling Green, meaning there are upperclassmen there now who heard her talk.
I just feel like we need to do more.
Colin's law would create harsher penalties for hazing, including making it a felony when drugs or alcohol are involved. Last year's legislative session ended before it could be passed. While what happened to Stone Foltz is still under investigation, the Wiants say it brings even more importance to passing Colin's law.
It was my fear when it didn't pass in the fall that, we can introduce it in the new General Assembly, but what if by then there's another death in Ohio? And the fact that that happened just makes me so angry. I feel like time is of the essence. We have to get this done. We have to get it done now.
And in addition to the harsher penalties, Kathleen Wiant says Colin's law would come with an extremely important transparency piece. She says it would require organizations to report student conduct violations every 6 months. That way students and families could see them. Live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halpern, NBC4.
We'll be bringing you the latest information on the death of Stone Foltz on air and online. For the latest developments, visit our website at NBC4i.com.